friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sabina here. If you are new here, welcome. If you have already subscribed my channel, then thank you very much. If you have not, then please hit that red subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to turn on that blue notification bell so you won't miss any of my video. So today's video is a small unboxing video that I bought a long time ago, and then I have not even opened it yet, so I'm gonna open with you guys. So I bought this Gucci, definitely it's a shoes. I bought this shoes like maybe I don't know, maybe 6 months ago, or maybe more than that, I don't remember anymore. And the story behind is that day I was not planning to buy anything, so me and my husband went to the mall and we were walking around and we were buying something for him, and I was wearing heels. I was walking and it was like maybe an hour or something, and my feet started hurting a lot and I could not even walk. So I said to my husband, like, I need to buy something so I can change my shoes, and I could not even walk anymore now. So we went to a Gucci store and I told my essay that my feet are hurting so much, so I need something that I can wear comfortable. And she brought a shoes to me and she said, like, I can give you a socks and you can wear and you can go. And I said okay. So I went and I said, okay, I'm gonna buy this. I need to buy this because my feet are hurting. And then after I bought it, I decided not to wear it, and I brought it home. I kept it in my closet and I forgot. So other day I was looking into my closet and I saw this Gucci box, and what was that box? So when I have not opened yet, I just looked in the picture. It's my memories went back and I said, like, oh my gosh, like, I have not even worn these shoes and I have not even opened these shoes. Let me do the unboxing video with you guys. So this is a sneakers and I'm gonna open with this. I even forgot about that, how it looks inside. So let's open this together. So here's the box. Do you guys do that if you buy something and then you bring it home and you don't open it at all? I do a lot that. I don't know why. When I don't buy anything, I need it. I always tell my husband, like, I need that, I want that. And when I get those things and I bring it home, I put it in my closet and then I forget. I don't know, it's a bad habit, I guess, right? So this one is still in the plastic, and of course this is a Gucci sneaker, and this one is in low top, and I got the one with the loved one because I like that white and gold colors, and so I decided to go with the loved one. They had lots of other design, but I chose to go with this one. And let's put this in the plastic. So here is the shoes, and I like about this is that one is red and one is blue. I like it. This right one is blue and that one is red, but both has a loved one. Some of the Gucci shoes has a different kind of embroidery. They have a little bit in one side has a different design, but this one both had loved. All need love, right? So I like this one, and this is embroidery. This is the gold embroidery here, and this is very pretty. I love it. And I wear size 35.5. Usually my shoes is 36. I remember that they told me that sneakers run a little bit bigger, so I got it 35.5. Rubber sole underneath here, and there is a pictures here. There's a Gucci made in Italy, and it's a 35.5, and it has this really simple lace. And of course this is the Gucci color, red and blue here, right here on the other side. And I'm really excited to wear these shoes this year. And it comes with this 2 dust bag, and I like this dust bag because it feels so luxurious. It's like a silk and nice. I like the Gucci dust bag. They're very nice. I think I paid, let's see if there is a price here. Yeah, I paid 670 for these shoes, and I am ready to wear these shoes this year. And if you guys know me, I love sneakers. I'm a sneaker girl. I love to wear heels, but I can't walk. When I was a teenager, I used to wear like a big heels and go shopping, and I can walk for hours and hours. But more I getting older, I can't wear heels. So most of the time I wear is all the time is a sneaker. This is a perfect shoes added to my collection, and hopefully I won't forget to wear these shoes now on. I don't think so because I already opened it, so I won't forget. This is pretty. This is my Gucci sneakers, and I'm excited for this one. So I think this goes with every outfit too, because this is white and gold, you know, so I can wear with my jeans or skirt. You know, summertime, I live in Texas, it's just so hot and humid here, and I could not even wear a jeans, so usually I wear a skirt, so it's perfect, like, you know, with the skirt and sneakers. That's all the time I wear is a skirt and sneakers. So this is gonna be my new loved summer shoes, and I will let you know, guys. It looks very comfortable. Most of the sneakers are definitely comfortable, so I'm looking forward to wear these shoes and forward to use these shoes more often and not to just keep in my closet. So I need to do that, like, and I bring it home and then I don't open it, so I need to be more looking into my closet instead of just go and buy and spend money. I'm trying to do that. So I'm trying to cleaning my closet now, so not to spend so much money and don't wear it. Like, I do like that. I have so much clothes that has still the tag, so I stopped. Like, I haven't bought anything from last few weeks for myself because I'm trying to control, and I'm trying to buy something I really, excuse me, I did bought something from Burberry, but what I mean is like for like a dress or something like that, I have not bought it for like last few weeks. So I'm trying to clean my closet. I didn't have that big room in my closet, so I'm trying to clean my closet and trying to see what I have and just trying to reuse and not to just spend money, and trying to spend money that really I need, something that, like, you know, I've been waiting for a long time. So that's my plan. I hope I will stick with that plan. I don't know, I'll let you know. So yeah, this is my Gucci unboxing, and I will maybe do the reviews of these shoes a little bit, maybe after a few months, after I wear a few times, and I'm excited for this. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, then you know what you need to do is that just do the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I will be so grateful and thankful for that. And also don't forget to follow me in my Instagram, Sabina K Stone. So that's all for today's video. I will see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful week. Stay happy and be positive. I love you guys.